Next, let's talk about AWS System Manager. AWS System Manager provides a comprehensive set of tools to help you manage your infrastructure and applications more efficiently and securely. AWS System Manager provides a range of features including inventory management, patch management, run commands, state manager, maintenance windows, automation, and parameter store. AWS System Manager integrates with other AWS services to provide a comprehensive solutions for managing your AWS resources. AWS System Manager is a powerful service that enables you to manage your AWS resources and applications from a single place. By using AWS System Manager, you can simplify the operations, improve security, reduce cost, and increase agility. System Manager helps you in inventory management, collects the metadata about your AWS resources, software, and operating system. Patch management. System Manager helps you to automate the process of patching your EC2 instances, on-prem instances, and other supported AWS resources. Run command. System Manager enables you to remotely execute the commands on your instances, including Linux and Windows machines. State Manager. System Manager helps you to define and maintain the desired state of your instances. Maintenance window enables you to define a window of time for scheduled maintenance tasks such as patching and rebooting the instances. Automation and parameter store enables you to create and run the automation workflow that perform the common operational task. And parameter store enables you to securely store and manage the secrets, configuration data, and other frequently used parameters. System Manager brings lots of benefits for its users. System Manager helps you to simplify the operations. AWS System Manager provides a single interface for managing your AWS resources and applications. That makes it easier to automate the common operational tasks. Improve security. Parameter store enables you to securely store and manage the secrets, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Reduce cost. Automation and patch management features can help you to reduce the time and effort required to maintain your instances, resulting in cost saving. Increase agility. By automating the common operational task, AWS System Manager can help you respond more quickly to changing business needs. System Manager integrate with other AWS services such as AWS Identity and Access Management, CloudFormation, and CloudTrail. Integration with AWS IAM enables you to control the access to System Manager features and resources. Integration with AWS CloudFormation enables you to automate the deployment of System Manager resources. Integration with CloudTrail provides detailed logging of System Manager API calls, helping you to meet the compliance requirements.